and welcome muli sa another episode ng Aling Oday's Kitchen.
Gagawa tayo ngayon ng chicken caldereta. And here are the following ingredients. Ang ating first step, magpe-preheat lang tayo ng oil dito sa ating pan at igigisa na natin yung onion. Haluin lang natin to hanggang maging soft and translucent. Then i-add na rin natin yung minced garlic. Continue lang natin ang pagkaisa hanggang sa maging light brown yung ating garlic. Ready na yung ating onion and garlic, i-add na natin yung chicken portions. I-continue lang natin ang paggisa or pag-render hanggang maging light brown yung ating chicken. Yan, medyo light brown na yung ating chicken. Pwede na natin ngayong i-add yung 1 cup ng tomato sauce. At yung ating 1.5 cups ng water. Haluin lang natin itong maigi. Isisimmer lang natin to on medium-low heat for 30 minutes. Para lumambot yung ating chicken. Make sure na haluin nyo lang once in a while para hindi didikit yung ating chicken. And then, after 30 minutes, pwede na nating ilagay yung pepper to taste. At yung ating soy sauce to taste. Adjust nyo na lang according to your taste. Yung ating liver spread. Ang ginamit ko yung liver pate. You can also use yung pinakulo ang liver na tatadtarin nyo. And then we will mix it well. Make sure yung inyong liver spread or liver pate ay dissolve. Special thank you sa aking son na si Adrian sa pagluluto nitong ating dish ngayon. Ayan, medyo nadurog na yung liver pate at liver spread. Pwede na nating i-add yung potatoes as an optional ingredients. Pwede din kayo maglagay ng carrots. Continue lang natin ang pag-simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Hanggang sa lumambot lang yung carrots. Then we can also add bell pepper, cut into strips. At yung half a cup ng green olives. Kung walang green olives, pwedeng wag na maglagay. Sama na rin yung half a cup ng grated cheddar cheese. Haluin lang natin itong maigi. And we will continue to simmer this for another 2 to 3 minutes hanggang sa medyo maluto lang yung bell pepper. And after natin maluto, i-transfer lang natin ito sa ating serving bowl. And there you have it, our chicken caldereta, best served with rice. Sana magustuhan nyo itong recipe na ito and share it with your friends. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ako po si Aling Oday, magkita-kita uli tayo sa aking susunod na video. Salamat! Bye! Please follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram.